Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aries, if you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have 6 of spheres in reverse, 4 of spheres in reverse, and ace of moons in reverse, guys. So in your situation, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are in deep thought about something. You are worried about something or anxious about something. Maybe you are simply wishing that things were different. Maybe something you did. It may be something you did in your work. Maybe some circumstances you are thinking of your past, brooding over the mistakes that you did. Maybe it was something unintentional. But brooding over the past is not going to help us in any way, guys. Maybe you should just take the lessons you have learned, the lessons from those mistakes, and never to repeat those mistakes in your future. So you should be aware of your present situation and your future. That is what is going to help you, and it is going to help you assess your situation in a much better way, and you are going to feel positive. If you simply think of the past, feel sad over the past, it is not going to take you anywhere today in your life, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are simply thinking about this past person and all that hurt and pain. You have not overcome all that, and maybe for some of you, you still love them even though there were many difficult circumstances you faced in that love. You simply cannot get over that past love. So for some of you, you are still missing them, and you are still crazy for them, guys. And it may be your energy or it may be their energy towards you, guys. And you cannot get over this love. You feel that you can never move forward, because you love them so deeply, and it is simply really difficult for you to get over this love, forget that person and move on. But you need to understand that if you want your situation to change, you need to be you need to live in your present, be aware of your circumstances, and move forward. Maybe for some of you, there is also a new love coming out. Maybe someone new is trying to reach out to you. So you need to be aware of your present circumstances, guys. So past relationship may not work, and it is no use feeling sad or missing that person, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. we have Three of Spheres. So with this card, maybe in this connection, you are trying to move forward. We were speaking about a past relationship and the way you cannot forget the past. Maybe you will be able to move on in your future very soon, guys. Maybe there is a new love, a new person coming to divert you from your past love. So the card for your career situation, guys, it is the Moon. So in your career situation, maybe you have a lot of dreams and expectations going, but you need to be grounded in reality if you want those dreams to manifest. So simply dreaming may not be enough. You need to make the required efforts also, guys, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you, it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you, it may be this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, You are moving into a very, what to say, uh, a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are, what to say, working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.